In today's video, I'll teach you how to open JetStream Federal Credit Union account online. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link jetstreamfcu.org. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of JetStream Federal Credit Union. From here, you'll be able to open the account for yourself. All you have to do is click on this option, become a member, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to open an account for yourself. Click on this option, open an account. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to the new interface. So if you want to start applying, what you have to do is click on this option, start a new application. Now once you do that, you'll have to select your eligibility. You'll be able to find three options over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find various types of account over here. What you have to do is simply click on the type of account that you would like to create. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply check on this option that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is simply enter your applicant information. What you can do is simply take the photo or upload the image of your identification, or you can also use the mobile device in order to capture the identification. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now you can see over here you'll have to upload a photo of your identification. What you have to do is simply upload or take an image of the front of your identification first. The identification document can be driver's license, state or US government issued ID, US passport or permanent resident card. You'll also be able to see the tips over here. Make sure the browser has permission to use the camera. Turn your ID sideways for best image. Use a light colored and plain background. So what you have to do is simply click on this option, take a photo that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be able to take the photo of your identification document. Now you'll be able to upload the document. Simply take the photo of the front and back of the ID and upload it over here. After you do that, complete an online application. Also make the initial deposit and your account will be created. However, the website also states that to open an account, you need to bring a signed application, a valid government issued photo ID and another form of ID to a branch, or you can also mail your application, ID copies and deposit to the member services department. After you do that, your account will officially be created and you'll become the member of JetStream. So that is how you open JetStream Federal Credit Union account online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.